Alright, hi YouTube. Part 2 of the drone adventure is Millennium Park. Not the one in Chicago, the one in Grand Rapids. So it's one of the largest parks in West Michigan here. Forgot how many acres exactly, but as you can see, it's huge, free of obstruction, and it's going to be a good place to fly a drone. I think driving in, though, I saw some power lines I am going to have to avoid. That's going to be no problem here. But yeah, okay, so I'm gonna get this drone set up here and start flying. Everybody, all right, that's the second drone flight concluded in Millennium Park. All right, that was a great flight. Got some great photos of the landscape, and I tried to stay away from the wildlife, of course, to give them their space. One interesting thing I noticed is, so technically the DJI has a 10K range, but when I started going on the other side of the park, nowhere near 10 miles, I started to lose signal connection. I wanted to play it safe, so I climbed an altitude, brought the drone back to me. I don't want to risk it this early in my drone flying career. But yeah, other than that though, I tested the camera functions, worked out great. Also tested the return to home feature. That was very accurate. So pretty much when I landed, when I took off, I did these what was it, sidewalk squares. And then when I pushed the return to home button after my battery was low, it landed directly on that square I wanted to. So hopefully when I get enough confidence in it, what I want to do is, when I go to the beach, I have a landing pad that I land the drone on so it doesn't get sand in the mechanism. So I want to test it again probably when I go back to the beach, see if it can land exactly at the helipad thing, drone pad, whatever, that I set up on there, keep the sand out of it. But other than that, really fun flight. Yeah, I had a person come over, and but he was very friendly. Just wanted to know a lot about the drone, wanted to buy some for himself or the kids. So yeah, not that bad. Not that bad day, guys. All right, I'll catch some lunch, and I'll probably get one last flight in front of the apartment.